Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wander for building marketing brand playbooks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the Wander website. Log into your Wander account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where you can view your projects. Click on the New Project button to start creating your marketing brand playbook. Select the option for a brand playbook from the project types available. You will be presented with a template selection screen. Choose a template that fits your marketing needs or opt for a blank canvas. After selecting a template, click on the Create button to open the editing interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the editor. On the left side, you will see a panel containing various tools and resources. Begin by setting your brand's core elements like the logo, color palette, and fonts. Upload your logo by clicking the Upload button and selecting the image file. Next, define your brand colors using the Color Picker tool. Select primary and secondary colors that input the specific fonts you want to use in your playbook. Now, navigate to the Content section of the editor. Start adding sections such as About Us, Mission Statement, and Target Audience. For each section, click on the plus icon to add text blocks or images. Fill in the information relevant to your brand in each text block. Consider including visuals to enhance engagement. After you've added all necessary content, review your playbook for cohesiveness. Utilize the formatting options to adjust text size, color, and alignment as needed. Once satisfied with your playbook, click on the Preview button to see it in its finalized format. Make any final adjustments before moving on. When you're ready, click the Save button to ensure your work is not lost. Next, navigate to the Export options to download or share your playbook. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or online link. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the export process. Your marketing brand playbook is now configured and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.